Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're gonna show you how to turn on profile view history on TikTok account. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the TikTok app and just come to this profile section, click here, and after clicking here just click on this three dot here, and now you have to go this privacy and settings option, just click here. And now you can see multiple option here, so we are going to click on privacy option here. So now you can just scroll a bit and you can see multiple option here. So now here just bottom of the screen you can see the profile view option, so just click here. So that's it, you have found that profile view history option. So here you can edit this option and you can turn this option profile view history. So after turning on that, you can see that see who viewed your profile in last 30 days and allow others to see who viewed your profile in last 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. You will be notified of profile view if the notification is turned on. So we have turned on this notification. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. So this is how you can turn on a profile view history. So for that you have just click on this option. So this is for the video. Hope you find this video very helpful. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.